Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. So today I'm going to be making Jamaican style ginger beer. Now this is a must-have in our household during Christmas time, but you can make it throughout the year because ginger beer is a perfect drink to have whether hot or cold. So stay tuned for the recipe.
So you can use 3 to 4 stalks of ginger, and I have it submerged in water and I'm washing it off and scrubbing it very well because I'm not going to take the skin off when I make the ginger beer. So I'm chopping up the ginger pretty small so when I put it in the blender, it blends nice and smoothly. You'll need to add some water in the blender with the ginger. I used about half a cup. Here I'm using a pot that's about 3 quarts. I've added water to fill the pot about 3/4. I'm also adding 3 tablespoons of rice, which I've already washed. Now the rice is important because it helps to keep the ginger beer a little longer. You'll put the stove on high until the ginger water starts to boil. Once it does boil, turn it down so that it simmers. I let the ginger beer simmer for about half an hour and then I turn the dial to low and let it simmer some more for about 2 hours. After I take the ginger beer off the stove, I let it cool down for about 2 hours. I've added 1 lime here, but it's really up to your taste. If 1 lime's not enough, you can add 2 or 3. You can leave the mixture in the pot overnight as it's going to take a really long time to cool down. Once the mixture is totally cool, it's time to strain. And then you sweeten. You can use coconut sugar, honey, or brown sugar. Here I'm using brown sugar. So now's the time to taste your mixture. If it's not sweet enough, you can add sugar. If there's too much lime in it, you can add water. If it's too spicy, you can add water. And that's what I did here. And here's the end product. Nice and strong, spicy ginger beer.
So there you have it, a great Jamaican style ginger beer recipe. So if you do make this recipe, please let me know how it goes in the comments below. Until next time, take care.